Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to fix Android phone automatically turning down volume. So let's get started. So if your Android phone is automatically turning down its volume and you want to fix that, so to fix that, first what you have to do is just simply tap on the volume button in your device. So you will find the volume button on your device, just simply tap on it, and after tapping on that, now you will find this kind of icon. From here, what you can do is just simply tap on that filter option, the three bar icon, and after tapping on that, now you just have to make sure that your media volume, call volume, alarm, and your ring and notification volume is turned on. So if the volume is not too high, then what you can do is just then simply move this bar to all the way up, and that should increase your volume. So if this was not the case, then what you have to do is just simply open up your settings application, and after opening up your settings application, from here you just have to search for sound and vibration. So you will find sound and vibration option, just simply tap on it, and after tapping on sound and vibration, from here you just have to check that you have not turned on any options. So you might find some options in your device, like if you just shake your device, then you will pick up a call, or just turn on torch. In the same way, you will find this option which is pick up to silent. So now if someone calls you and you pick it up, then it will automatically be in silence. So if this option is turned on, make sure this kind of options are turned off. So after turning off these options, now you just have to check that you have an alarm sound. So if you don't have it, then what you can do is just simply set a sound, so that sound will be applied to your calls. And after that, just simply scroll down, and here you will find multi-volume. Just simply tap on it and then turn it on. And by turning on your multi-volume, what will happen is you will have different volume slider for every single app. So for example, I'm using my TikTok, and I'm in a Zoom meeting. So what I can do is just simply turn on your TikTok volume all the way up, and then turn down your Zoom meeting volume, and that can help you to increase your volume. So you will find different volume slider for every single app that you will use on your device. So just make sure that you have multi-volume turned on. So just simply check these options, and this should fix your problem. So that's it guys, this is how to fix Android phone automatically turning down volume. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks.